This is a used 2011 Dodge Caliber. Grab life by the horns. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 2-liter engine. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.